3, 2, 1.
What might have happened before on the forum? The answer is C. Names get removed. How did I feel about the food? The answer is B. I thought it was delicious. How many days in a fortnight? The answer is A. 14. When did Bartolomé Dias explore Namibia? The answer is D. 1486. What is the narrator drinking? The answer is C. They are drinking ale. What does the narrator have much pride about? The answer is B. A meal they made. When was Jesse Saunders on and on a hit? The answer is B. 1984. Set phone on airplane mode. How would you do this? The answer is A. Make sure you don't want any phone calls coming in. How many museums are in Warsaw? The answer is D. 60. What is the atomic number of uranium? The answer is C. 92. Approximately how many half-lives will it take to reduce 10.0 kg of a radioactive substance to 1.0 microgram of that substance? The answer is D. 34. How do you put blush on? How would you do this? The answer is A. Brush it on your chin over your foundation. The German Empire had how many universities? The answer is D. 34. In what Super Bowl did the Seahawks face the Steelers? The answer is C. 40. What year was Estonia annexed by Russia? The answer is B. 1940. To entertain guests during Christmas break, how would you do this? The answer is A. Leave a scary movie marathon playing. When did Galler and Zeri show new information about inequality?
The answer is B. 1993.
The Orlov Revolt took place in what year? The answer is D. 1770. To put a perfect hole in the lid of a jug, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use a hole saw. Where may I have been eating lunch? The answer is B, a restaurant. Why is the girl starting to get more in tune with cleaning? The answer is A, she is growing up. An athlete sets up her stance in order to throw a disc during a track and field event. The woman throws the disc far across the field. The athlete, what happens next? The answer is B, celebrates the throw and the crowd cheers. What type of relationship do the two men share? The answer is B, they share a romantic relationship. In what year was Ma and Pa Kettle made? The answer is C, 1949. Which cologne, created in 1792, was named after the street number of the building in Glockengasse, Cologne, where it was created? The answer is D, 4711. Wrangler, how would you do this? The answer is A, keeps bull stable. What may be the reason why they feel like they don't get a spring break? The answer is C, because they have to work for free in that time. How many people were reported to have died in the Great Fire of London in 1666? The answer is D, 6. What type of vacations does the narrator like? The answer is C, the narrator likes outdoors vacation. Vibrator, how would you do this? The answer is A, can remove fear in the body. What is the sum of all the numbers on a roulette wheel? The answer is B, 666. How do you take your pants off? How would you do this? The answer is A, pull them up over your head. When was the Macintosh Portable last released? The answer is D, 1989. How do you use only LTE signal on a phone? How would you do this? The answer is A, turn off the Wi-Fi option. What year did King Charles Roman II grant a charter to North America? The answer is A, 1663. When did Henry Roman VIII take direct royal control? The answer is B, 1539. How many proper nouns are there in the sentence on Saturday? Ruth is going to fly in an Airbus 380 with her son Christopher and her daughter Naomi to Phoenix, Arizona to attend a family reunion. The answer is A, 7. What sort of movies might they have been watching? The answer is B, chick flicks. He wipes the shoe off with a blue rag. He puts white tape on the bottom of the shoe. What happens next? The answer is A, sprays the shoe with something from a can. In what year was Narayanati constructed? The answer is D, 1970. Why am I probably going back to school? The answer is B, I am a teacher. How to cool down while wearing a sweater. How would you do this? The answer is A, push the neck above your elbows. Prevent ice on car mirrors. How would you do this? The answer is A, wrap mirrors with grocery bags. How do you keep proper posture? How would you do this? The answer is A, hunch your back only 5 degrees. How did the review of the narrator turn out? The answer is C, it went well. What may have Liet do NT to get banished? The answer is C, she may have broken a sacred rule. How many different Iranian languages exist? The answer is B, 86. What may be the reason for their friend's betrayal? The answer is A, their friend was just there to use them. How do you cover up a window so people can't see in? How would you do this? The answer is A, place curtains over it. In what year did plasticine first go on sale?